Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. Today I am going to start the new chapter, that is algebraic expressions and identities. This is your sixth chapter that I am going to give an introduction about this chapter in today's class. Okay, what are expressions? That means you have familiar with expressions and you have solved so many problems regarding to this in your previous classes. Just I am giving the introduction, that is what do you mean by expression. Here in your textbook they have given some examples, that is x plus 3, 2y minus 5, 3x square, 4xy plus 7, etc. Okay, here I am going to explain you the expression. What do you mean by expression? If I take one example, that is 2y minus 5 is formed from the variable and the constant, isn't it? 2y minus 5 is formed by the variable y and the constant 2 and minus 5. This is called the expression. Expression is formed from the variable and constant. And then if I give the values for the y, it may be 2, 0, 5, 2, etc. It goes on. The value depends on the variable what we are going to give, isn't it? Then I will show you the variable. I will explain you the terms, factors, coefficients. That is, what do you mean by terms? Take the expression 4x plus 5. This expression is made up of two terms. That is, which are the two terms? 4x and 5. Terms themselves can be formed as the product of factors. Here 4x is the product of its factors. Which are the factors for 4x? 4 and x. The term 5 is made up of just one factor, that is 5 only, isn't it? The terms means the in this expression containing how many terms, how many coefficients, or it may be constants. Okay, not coefficients, it may be constant or variables, isn't it? That means the terms are differentiated by, or terms are added to form an expression. Then what do you mean by coefficient? That means if I take 7xy minus 5x, it having two terms, and the factors for, what are the factors for 7xy? That is 7, x and y are the factors. What are the factors for minus 5x? That is minus 5 and then x. Here if I consider 7xy, what is the coefficient? The numerical factor of a term. What is that? The numerical factor of a term is called its numerical coefficient. Understood? That means in 7xy, what is the numerical coefficient? That is 7. That is, if it having any variable, that is xy means what is the numerical coefficient of xy? That is 1. Okay, here what is the coefficient for minus 5x? That is minus 5. This is called the coefficient and the terms factors. Okay, next I will explain you the monomials, binomials and polynomials. Then what do you mean by monomials? Expressions that contains only one term is called monomial. Expression that contains two terms is called binomial. An expression containing three terms is a trinomial, and so on. And then here the expression containing one or more terms with a non-zero coefficient is called a polynomial. I will show you the examples. That is, monomials means 4x square, that is having only one term. Here 3xy, it's also having one term. Binomials means a plus b, b plus c, c plus d, like that it goes on. That are called binomials. Trinomials means a plus b plus c containing three terms. That is 2x plus 3y minus 5, x square y minus xy square. Okay, like this having three terms is called trinomial. And then what do you mean by polynomials? Polynomials means having one or more terms. Okay, that is a plus b plus c plus d, it's called as polynomial. 3xy, here 7xyz minus 10, then 2x plus 3y plus 7z, etc. This is called polynomials. And then like and unlike terms. What do you mean by like and unlike terms? Like terms, here they have given one example, that is 7x 14x minus 13x 15x square, 7y 7xy minus 9y square minus 9x square minus 5xy. Here you have to identify which are the like terms. Understood? Here by seeing this example you come to know here 7x starting term is 7x 14x minus 13x. These are containing the same variable, that means these are the like terms. Okay, containing same variable is called like terms here. And then second term I will fourth term I will take means x square. See where we having x square 5x square and minus 9x square, this to having the same variable, that's why these two are like terms. Again you see 7y, anywhere you having y, no you didn't have anywhere y, that's why leave that one. And then again you consider 7xy, you're having minus 5yx. Okay, then you can take it 7xy and minus 5yx or like terms. Understood? And then 7y minus 9y square minus 9x square, these are unlike terms. Understood? And then this is about the introduction of a first chapter. I will move to the exercise problems in my next class. Thank you.